Hello and welcome. In this session, we will walk through how the Item Shortages Analysis Advisor AI agent is configured in Oracle Fusion. Traditionally, identifying shortages required running reports and manually checking supply data. Now this agent does it for you in seconds. It identifies item in shortage supply or stock out, shows availability and expected supply, and even recommends approved substitutes or alternate sources. We will start by accessing the AI Agent Studio, review the setup, and then test the agent in action. The Item Shortages Analysis Advisor is an AI agent that enables inventory managers to quickly analyze stockouts and shortages, explore replenishment options, and make informed decisions, ensuring faster response time, improved inventory visibility, and reduced dependency on manual reporting or analysis. It operates within the inventory management domain, specifically targeting inventory managers, and delivers outcomes focused on stock visibility, replenishment, and operational efficiency, allowing managers to proactively address shortages, optimize inventory levels, and streamline decision making across supply chain. The setup begins by copying the pre-built template to create a customized agent in AI Agent Studio. You then review the agent configuration, including its name, product, and prompt to ensure it aligns with inventory management needs. Finally, you test and publish the agent so inventory managers can access it directly, enabling real-time analysis of stockouts and replenishment options. To begin, let's go to the AI Agent Studio, which is where developers and administrators create and manage these AI agents. Now imagine you are an inventory manager who just learned a critical component may delay production due to low stock. Normally you would jump between pages for item quantities, shortage rules, supply orders, substitutes, and other organization to stitch together the answer. In this exercise, we will configure the Item Shortages Analysis Advisor so you get the full picture in a single conversation and can drill into pages only when needed. We start by logging into Oracle Fusion and opening AI Agent Studio from the Tools menu. From the list of pre-built templates, find Item Shortages Analysis Advisor, copy the template, and give the copy a unique name. Click the three dots to enter into the edit mode. Review the basic details such as name, family, product, maximum interactions, description, and prompt. Confirming these header values ensures you are working with the correct agent and the agent scope matches with the lab objective. You can clearly see the prompt to understand what all tools need to be used under what conditions and how to respond in the same. Scroll to the LLM or prompt section. Choose the custom mode for this lab and paste the LAMP prompt that enforces parameter validation, tool sequencing, and HTML output rules. The LLM and prompt settings determine how the agent collects input, sequences tools, and format responses, so set this before configuring tools or topics. Click on Update. Expand the tools in the left panel. Open the Item Shortages Deep Link tool. Click on the three dots and select View Details. Review the tool type, family, and description. This deep link provides the URL to navigate to the item shortages page for a given org, item catalog, and category. Close the window. Open the Item Quantities Deep Link tool. Click the three dots and select View Details. Again review the tool type, family, and description. This deep link provides the URL to navigate to the item quantities page for a specified org and item name or number. Close the window. Open Rule Configuration for Item Shortages Business Object tool. Review the tool type, family, business object, and functional details. This business object returns the shortage rule configurations used to identify shortages. Close the window. Open Other Organization Item Availability Business Object tool. Click the three dots and select View Details. This object returns item availability across alternate organization using the item ID and organization ID as inputs. Close the window. Open Substitute Item Availability Business Object tool. This object lists substitute items and their available quantities for a given item within an organization. Close the window. Open Inventory Organizations Lookup Business Object tool. This lookup converts organization name or code to an organization identifier required by other tools. Close the window. Open Item Supply Details Business Object tool. Click the three dots and view details. This object returns inbound supply lines for a given item and an org. Close the window. Open Item Shortages and Stockout Business Object tool. This object retrieves the list of items currently in shortage or stocked out for specified org, catalog, or category. Close the window. Finally, open Items Lookup Business Object tool. This object resolves item name or number to an internal item identifier and returns basic item master attributes. Close the window. Review each tool to confirm what inputs are required and what outputs are returned so agent can be configured to collect missing parameters before calling any tool. Click the Business Object tab. Search for Inventory Management or each object by name. You will see all the pre-configured business objects here. Select the built-in object, for example, Inventory Organization Lookup, and click View. Note the available attributes and return fields. For each function under Actions, click View and confirm operation type, resource path, parameters, and business object fields. Click Cancel to return. You can repeat the same checks for other 7 business objects. Now let's go and review the deep links. Click on the Deep Link tab. Again search for Inventory Management. You can see the pre-configured deep links here. Click the edit icon for item quantities. Review the family, product, name and relative URL. Update the message text if needed so the end user sees a friendly link label. Check the parameters required by the deep link. Click on Cancel. Repeat the review for item shortages deep link as well. Ensure deep link parameters match the IDs your tools will supply to avoid navigation prompts. Now go back to the AI Agent Studio. Go to the Settings icon. Go to the Security tab. Make sure you assign the DSI AI Agent user here. Click on Apply and then Update. Assign appropriate roles so the agent returns only data the user is authorized to see. Now let's test the agent. Click on the debug icon. Ask what's the current quantity of an required item. Here I am taking an example of the item CM55005. If the agent prompts for missing inputs, provide the OR code and item number as requested. Confirm the agent resolves OR code via Inventory Organization Lookup and item number via item lookups before calling availability or shortage tools. Verify that the agent returns live availability, inbound supply summary, substitute suggestions, and a deep link to item quantities or item shortages as appropriate. Use the debug flow to validate prompts, parameter conversations, tool sequencing, and the final HTML format responses. In just a few steps, you converted a multi-screen investigation into a single conversational assistant. The item shortage analysis advisor now resolves user inputs, calls lookup, and data objects in sequence, returns availability or supply shortage information. This reduces investigation time and help planners make faster, informed replenishment decisions. With this, you have successfully configured the Item Shortages Analysis Advisor AI agent in Oracle Fusion Inventory Management.